I don't know about you, but for me, I am tired of winter. I'm tired of the cold days and waking up and it's 29 Fahrenheit and I have to put a bunch of layers and I can't even go outside in the morning pretty much. I just can't wait for summer. So I'm just never gonna go outside when it's in the morning or when it's cold at all. I'm just never gonna go outside. I'm gonna stay inside the whole time. Doesn't that sound a little weird? Or not even to that level, but putting it to the next level, like, I'm not gonna go outside unless it's sunny out and it's 90 degrees or higher. Doesn't that sound crazy? Only going outside when it's 90 and it's sunny outside? What would we probably tell someone who says that? Like, stop waiting till it's some perfect weather. Stop being inside, stop watching YouTube videos, stop scrolling, and go outside. We would probably both say that, and even if we might not do that all the way, we might think about it as well. Now, what if we applied that only being 90 degrees and it's sunny out analogy thing with small things in our life? And what if those small things were actually excuses, reasons why we didn't push ourselves more? And what if that's the reason why we're living like we are today? We keep on watching YouTube videos, we keep on learning, and we don't really do that much stuff in our life. We're waiting for the perfect opportunity. We're waiting till we stop focusing on ourselves to talk to girls. We wait to go outside till it's nice out. We wait to start that business when you have more time. You wait to do this when you don't have school. A little bit about me, I've been biking around and it's so fun. And instead of making an excuse like, oh, I'll do that when I don't have school or because I don't have that much time, right? And, it's still a little cold out, so I'm not going to do it. But I always love saying this thing too, which is time or money never stops someone who truly wanted to do it. Because do you truly want to get better? Do you actually want to talk to girls, make money, have a bunch of cool things in your life going on? Do you want that in your life? And do you think waiting for the perfect opportunity is going to get you that? Do you think some professional soccer player is going to wait till it's perfect conditions, it's not slippery at all, the grass is completely flat? Do you think they're going to wait for something like that? Or do you think they're just going to play every single day? They can play indoor, they can play outdoor, they can play when it's cold, when it's hot. Or do you think they just want to wait till it's perfect and they still want to go pro? It probably doesn't make sense, right? So we should just do the same thing and apply it to our life. Stop waiting till it's the best weather to go outside. Stop waiting till this perfect opportunity is set up for you when you talk to a girl or something. And I'll be honest, bro. Even when I do have a good opportunity, I still don't do it sometimes. Sometimes when I see girls walking by or when I have an opportunity to go outside, I just don't. So even if there was the perfect opportunity, would you probably even do it after conditioning yourself from not doing it over and over and over again? Even if it was the perfect opportunity, we probably still wouldn't do it. And I've been recently learning to try to actually do it. If you're not sure who I am, my name is Timothy and I recently started making money online. I recently started biking around where I live. Here's my little bell as proof. And I've also been just going out more and experiencing more of my life while I still have the time. I don't care that I have school, homework, practice, this thing to do, that. I still have time because I really want to do that in my life. So you really can do it. If you want it, you will find time to do it. Just like how you're finding time to listen to me talk to you right now. You have time. And if you still say you don't have time, it's just not a priority. So make it your priority to get better, to do more things in your life, to live and stop being in your cave all day. I really wish I just heard this 1 or 2 years ago because I made so many excuses pretending to work and stuff, but I never actually did anything in my life. I just used that as an excuse to not talk to girls. I used that as an excuse to not go out. And as soon as I stopped waiting for the perfect opportunity moment thing to happen, that's when I started to do more in my life. That's when I felt like my life had more meaning and purpose. And I just really want to share that with you because if you can think about this more in your life, you'll get so much further than everyone else. Because think about it, everyone else, when you're in school or whatever, they all scroll, they all talk about video games, they all eat junk food. You can probably do way better than that. And by the way, if you like the environment I'm in, kind of like my voice a bit, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day to just share things that hopefully you can think about and actually apply in your life, which if you get better from that, that would be so cool. And another excuse I made for so long was that, I'll just wait for the weekend to go on my bike. I'll just wait till this starts, then I'll go. Like, just dumb excuses, dumb reasons that don't mean anything. You can say all this stuff, but if you don't do anything, it's pointless, it's useless. So stop waiting for the perfect moment, and that's how you'll live more in your day-to-day life. You'll actually go outside, touch grass, stop being on your phone and computer all day. And I feel like it's actually better if you don't wait for the perfect moment. All those experience and challenge points that you get from completing that hard quest in real life. So if you want a way, actually, you can talk to more people and actually get a pretty good opportunity. So you should take advantage of this opportunity I'm about to give you, because this can actually level up your social skills, level up your life, basically. So if you want to talk to more people that are like-minded to you, want to get better, that you can talk to right now with hundreds of people and me as well in there, join that like-minded club in the description right now. It's a pretty sick place. I wish I could have joined that a long time ago. And if you want me to coach you on quitting bad habits, video games, relapsing, junk food, scrolling all the time, not sure what to do. I don't feel like I have all the answers to life, but I feel like I'm at a point where I've experienced some stuff and I don't watch YouTube anymore, really. I don't relapse. I don't eat junk food. I would say I progressed pretty far, so click that link in the description for my coaching as well, and hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace. Go outside and more, do stuff.